In a word, focus on material things. We set out on a journey that reminded us the true value of collecting memories. Jordan, a land of timeless beauty and vibrant culture. Noah believes in collecting memories more than things, so she decided to fulfill one of my biggest dreams for my birthday. And this is our memories from Jordan.
אני חושב שזה אחד המקומות הכי יפים שהייתי בהם בחיים.
אני, הדבר הכי קשה.
In a world where things come and go, we're reminded of what truly matters. It's not what we gather, but the memories we make that shape who we are. This journey is a memory